Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I have on review VideoToPage. You should be able to transcribe your videos or any other videos that you find, create text content, and even educational materials or tutorials. And before we go to the review, I would like to remind you that you may have a chance to get additional 10% off of all AppSumo deals during Taco Day event, which ends on October the 4th. Alright, so getting back to VideoToPage, the tool will be here on AppSumo for some time and the price will increase on the October 7th. So I reviewed quite a few of similar tools where you provide a link to YouTube video and then you get different kind of text-based content. And we'll take a look at VideoToPage in a moment. So what kind of features do you get? You get pretty intuitive editor for your blog posts. You can generate different kind of content. If we take a look at the license tiers, so just see how many hours of videos you need. So for example, the license tier 2 will get you 12 hours of video transcription per month, and you can have up to 130 hours. So here we are inside the tool, and you just need to provide a URL to a video. You may upload your own video or even record one. I think it will work with audio in this case. So when you ask to generate a particular type of content, you will be given a choice what kind of content to generate. And what I don't like about VideoToPage is that on the trial plan, I cannot test all kind of content. Ideally, I would like to be able to generate all kind of content, maybe just for one video. So you can generate case studies, content for interviews, you can get SEO-focused articles, podcast materials, educational content, video digest. And another point for improvement, I would like to be able to generate all kind of content, several at once. And at the moment, it seems you need to pick one and then you can change it later. Okay, so let's get to the content that I already generated. So here it is. Let's take a look at the first one. This is my TAFA review and I asked to generate a blog post. Well, it looks pretty well formatted. And again, to see more, I need to be on a paid plan. But with AppSumo deal, it won't be a problem. So we can open the editor. And actually, I liked how the content was structured. Because we get the features, we get plans and pricing, using Taha. So in general, I think the tool is pretty well optimized, so you can get pretty well structured content. Some additional features, you can download your subtitles, and of course, you can see the transcription. And regarding transcription, I would like to be able to edit that as well. Okay, so this is where you can change the template and generate other types of content and ask to regenerate. And I think it's done. So here it is, this summary, and we can preview that. Yep. I think that's okay. Alright, so that's it for VideoToPage. I think you need just to try and see how well it will behave for your type of content. If you will be getting the articles that you like based on your video content. And what I liked about VideoToPage is that based on my video, it generated well-structured outline. So it was a video review, so it structured it in pretty good way for this type of content, outlining features, pricing, and how to use the tool. So to get VideoToPage, please check the link in the description. Please also give this video a like if you find this content useful, and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.